Hi everyone, another video in the SLK series, the Mercedes SLK behind me. I'm changing the windscreen wipers on it. They've been on there for a long time and they're very hard and they don't work very well. So the car, you can actually access the wipers on the car by just lifting them. So they lift like that and like that to a place where you can actually work on them, which is really convenient. They have a clip on them on these, which I'm going to look at on this one first, which means you should be able to just take them off if you can get them in the right position. Looks like there's probably a cover or something. How do we get the cover off? There we go. So there's a cover on these that just comes up like that. So I'm going to take that up, then I can spin them round. I should be able to slide them down like that, and that's now come out. That's left in there an insert. There's an insert in there that may or not be needed. Let's have a look at the new one. These are 22-inch wipers. You can use the old-fashioned type, or you can use these sort of flexi blade type wipers. I like the flexi blade type wipers. These are Bosch ones that I'm using, but there's lots of opportunities, different sorts. These central bits are a bit bigger on these, but that's fine. So if I open this up, I can see that in here there is a similar piece that hopefully I can get off. I don't know how I get it off. And follow the instructions on the back. Oh, there we go, it just kind of comes up and comes out. So that was in there, so that's that. So I'm going to replace this bit with that bit. Get some of the erg out of it. And that then should clip back in there, but it actually, this piece has to be sort of in the wiper first, before it goes in. There we go. So you don't need to take the thing out of the wiper, you just need it in there, and that's that one done. That was easy. Let's get the next one. Over here, a bit closer. There we go. Exciting wiper stuff. So. There it is. So this piece just folds up, if I can unclip it. Maybe it pulls outwards to unclip. There we go. Pulls outwards to unclip. So that's now up. And I should be able to then push this out. Yes, much easier this time. And the whole thing then slides off there. There's a bit of dirt in this, so I'm sort of clearing it out as I go. There. Unclip the new one. There it is, and that's that way. Goes through there, over there, and hopefully into there. Does that look like? Okay, that's better. Up to there, all the way. And clipped on. Hopefully. we go. That was very exciting. As you saw, there's a bit of work to do on the washer side of this, but the wipers are now working smoothly. Screen's nice and clean. Job done. There we go. Simple video. How to replace your blades. Piece of piss. Do it yourself. And yeah, good luck with it. And thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like it.